Today at GadgetClass, I'm reviewing a 3D printer pen. You've probably seen advertisements for these on TV and Facebook. Basically, it's like a 3D printer in a pen form that you can use to print 3D objects. And we're going to see how well it works and see if we can make something semi-artistic today. You don't get much in the box. You get a very simple instruction manual. It just goes over the basics. I guess all the information is there, but I would like to see a little better written instructions and kind of a little bit more information in the instruction manual. We've got our power cord there. We've got our base for setting the pen in, and we've got the pen itself. And we also have 4 colors of ABS filament to start out with. So let's take a quick look at the pen here. Basically you have speed control, faster and slower. You have feed control to start it feeding, and then you have a reversing thing to unfill the filament out of the cartridge. And then see if this comes out here. Get a little tool. Well, that takes a lot of force. There we go. So there's our heating nozzle. And it looks to be a ceramic element. And there's our head. And a little washer thing. So that's about all you can get to without snapping everything apart. So it looks like you could technically change out the heating element if you were feeling really ambitious there, but it looks like a decent quality ceramic heating element. So hopefully you'll never have to do that. So let's set up the shop for some tests here. I'll get it all plugged in and ready to go. As soon as you plug it in and press the on-off button there, it'll start heating up. Whenever it's red, it's heating. Whenever it's blue, it's fully hot. It will cycle back and forth. And I've got some red filament here. We're going to go ahead and feed that in. And you just feed it in the top here. And then we'll press the down button. And it just kind of automatically starts feeding. So you press the button once and it starts feeding. You press it again and it'll stop feeding. And we'll just wait till some stuff comes out, and we'll see what we can make here. And try turning the speed up a little bit. So pressing down on it speeds it up, pressing back slows it down. And now we go. We got some white filament in there. And there we have the red. Alright. So now we're ready to start. I've never done this before, guys, so bear with me. So there's my first attempt at a cube. It's more of a Picasso cube, I guess. Very abstract cube there. It takes a bit of skill. Let's try fixing something. I've got the piece of a clamp mount here. There's a clamp mount for my cameras here, and it has broken right here at the seam right there. So I'm going to use the black ABS filament and see if I can't run a bead around there and fix it. So what we're going to do is we're going to reverse the wire, pressing the reverse button. And then turn it back on, and then we'll go forward again just to get the rest of that out. Stop it. Get our black filament here. So what I'm going to try to do is use the tip to kind of melt the plastic while I'm doing it. And there comes a red and black. Alright. And I'm going to turn it way down. Alright, look at that. It was kind of twisting and pushing on itself. Let's cut that off. And we'll try this again. Let's try the red again.